What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to sketch a feather. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'm going to be drawing with this 2B Styler pencil, but you're welcome to use whatever you like. Now the first thing we want to do is define the shape of our feather. So I'm going to draw a curve from top right coming down towards the bottom left. So start from the very top. I'm just going to roughly add this curve coming down towards the bottom. You can determine the length of our feather. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to mark off where the feather will start. So right about here, I'm just going to mark this off with a short line. Let's go all the way up towards the top. It's going to define the end with a small circle. It's going all the way around, and the circle doesn't have to be perfect. Just want to define the right size. Now from the left side of our circle, we're just going to curve this down. It's going to follow this center curve coming in. And it's going to bend this down towards the base, towards the stem. Let's draw on the right side. So from the right side of our circle, we're going to come down and then taper that in towards the bottom. Now that we have the basic shape of a feather, I'm going to go back and erase our circle on the bottom. Now that we have the basic shape of our feather, I'm going to go and start adding a little bit of detail. Let's start by adding some thickness towards the stem. So starting with the left side, coming down towards the point. Just going to flatten this off with an angled line and just pull that back up. Now follow that line going up towards the top of the feather on either side. Now this line in the center is going to get narrower as you come up towards the top, which will become a single line. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to add some texture around the outside. So we just want to pull these little lines coming down and in, sort of aiming down an angle across the stem. So starting with the left side. And we can also add some breaks. So coming in and just opening up the end with a long V. Continue down. Add another one. We're just going to continue down towards the bottom. Now on this side, I just want to add a little bit of a fold and overlap. So we're going to step down. Just adding a few folds coming in. You can also add some bends, so just curving the feathers going out around the side. Bring this down towards the bottom. Let's add another break. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to break this up. Just adding a few stray feathers coming up and then out. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right side. So adding that texture, also opening up some of those gaps. A larger one here. Now let's do one final cleanup before we add some more detail and shading. Now I want to go back in and start adding some more contrast. So we'll start with that center stem first. I'm just going to darken up the outside edge of the feathers and just fade that in. Switch to the side edge of our pencil and just lightly shade the outside edge of the feather, just to enhance the texture, and just fade that in. I want to go a little bit darker along the top and then fade that down. I can pull some of that texture coming out from the center stem. I'm just going to place a light shadow underneath, just underneath the surface. I'm just going to shift this over towards the right side. You want to soften that up. And as we get near the end, I'm just going to tighten up our shadows and textures, and always be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of the feather. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw simple things just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.